Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to detect headset insertion and removal on the VLC application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the More button under the playlist option at the left side on the screen and click to the settings icon. Go to the extra settings section and click to the audio button. In the headset section, you can find the detect headset insertion and removal option. And if you want to enable, just click to the next square icon and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.